Did you know that mice and humans share a surprising amount in common? That's why mice are one of the most popular models in scientific research. Let's break it down. Number 1. Genetic similarity. Mice share about 97 to 98% of their genes with humans. Many genes that cause diseases in humans also exist in mice, so scientists can study illnesses using mouse models. Number 2. Physiological similarity. Mice and humans have similar organ systems like the heart, lungs, and brain. They also share similar biological processes like metabolism and aging. Number 3. Developmental similarity. Mice and humans develop in similar ways, from embryos to fully grown individuals. Important genetic pathways, like those controlling organ growth, are nearly identical. Number 4. Disease research. Mice can naturally develop or be engineered to mimic diseases like cancer, diabetes, and neurological disorders. This makes them key in testing treatments for human diseases. Number 5. Behavioral similarity. Mice can learn, remember, and interact socially, making them great for studying brain disorders like Alzheimer's or autism. But what's different? Mice are much smaller, live shorter lives, and have some differences in how their genes work. This means results don't always apply perfectly to humans. Still, the similarities make mice an essential part of advancing medical research. Subscribe for more science content.